This is a modern shipbuilding factory.
Here, massive ships are built from steel. Steel plates are precisely cut to form the ship's foundation. Next, skilled workers weld the steel plates together.
Here, cranes lift steel sections into place for the ship.
The steel section is carefully lowered into position.
Workers carefully align the section for final assembly.
Initial welding begins to secure the steel section.
Workers continue welding to strengthen the ship's structure.
Workers weld the steel using specialized industrial equipment.
The crane releases the section as the next part arrives. The next steel section is carefully positioned into place. Workers carefully align the new section before welding.
Welding begins to secure the new section to the ship frame.
The final welding pass secures the steel section firmly in place. The crane detaches as workers inspect the newly secured section. Additional steel plates are carefully positioned for welding.
Workers weld the small plates to strengthen the ship's frame.
Workers inspect the plates as the next steel section approaches.
The new steel section is carefully positioned on the ship frame. Workers carefully align and begin welding the new steel section.
The final welding pass secures the new section firmly in place.
With the crane detached, workers inspect the newly welded steel section.
Support plates are positioned to reinforce the newly welded section.
The welded section is inspected and secured in place.
Workers weld the support plates to reinforce the steel section.
Workers inspect the support plates as the next steel section arrives.
After months of work, the ship's main hull is nearly complete. The completed hull undergoes final inspection before the next stage.
Before launch, the ship receives protective marine paint. The completed ship is carefully transported toward the sea.
Special rubber airbags are placed beneath the ship for controlled launching.
The ship is gradually lowered onto the airbags, preparing for launch.
The ship's hull gently meets the water for the first time.
The ship fully enters the sea, floating freely for the first time.
The ship is now fully afloat, marking the successful completion of its launch.